We got a Vortec V3SI. Alright, so let's dig into this kit. This, I guess, two purposes. It's going to let all you guys see exactly what's in the kit, but then it's also going to give me the chance to double check and make sure nothing is missing and that I don't need to order anything. Air filter, PVC pipe. It's cool. Kind of surprised it's all in one box. We'll see what these are for. Charge piping, thermostat housing, okay. Wonder why we're doing that. Intercooler piping. This looks like charge piping. Charge piping. Good old instructions. Oh, it says it has an ECU. Well, that's pretty awesome. There's an ECU in here. Oh, they're fuel injector clinic. That's good. Those are some of the better ones on the market. At least they have data, which, believe it or not, makes the car way easier to tune. What the? Oh, I bet that's for the intercooler. And I bet you this is to reroute the upper coolant hose. So that's why the, what do you call it? Thermostat housing. This looks like something for the water pump. For the thermostat housing. Let's see what's here. This actually is a RIPPS box. I don't know what this is. No, oil catch can. That's a good kit right there. It's a RIPPS oil catch can. That's what these are for. I guarantee you that's what these are for. We've got injectors, instructions, thermostat housing, piping. Where's the ECU? Okay. There's the hat for the throttle body that the supercharger goes into. I do not see an ECU in here anywhere. Here's the blow-off valve. Here's our blow-off valve. It's a weird shape. Guess I'm just used to them being round. I do not see an ECU in here, which means I'm probably going to have to ship off his ECU, which is fine. Not a big deal. I just don't see. The ECU is actually about that size, but I don't see anything. This is going to be the supercharger for sure. Oh wow, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay, maybe this is where the ECU is. New belt, that makes sense. Yeah, there's the supercharger. Supercharger oil, definitely must have. Okay, so this is actually, that's pretty cool. On 2018 and newer, you have to have this to tune with HP tuners. You can't even read the car without this. I actually have one of these for the shop, but I put it in and take it out whenever I'm tuning. I don't just leave it because they're $90 a piece. So I'd have to charge everybody an extra $90 for their tune if I was doing that. So these are just mounting brackets and things. Couplers, no ECU. I am still not seeing an ECU. More couplers, lots of couplers. Clamps, whole big bag of clamps, nuts and bolts and brackets. More couplers. And finally, it's a Vortec, okay. Vortec V3SI. That bad boy is pretty good size. So the most critical part of the whole supercharger kit, the supercharger, that's there. That's good news. So this is interesting. CX Racing, but for RIP. So they've really done some research and development here. Yep, for sure the intercooler. That's kind of nice actually. They got their logo on there. Hopefully it mounts low enough where you can actually like see it. I guarantee you this is the bracket. Yeah, everything lines up, so that's a mounting bracket for it. Still no ECU, so I'm assuming, more mounting brackets, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to ship off his ECU. Which I'm gonna have to hustle to try to get the ECU out today so that we can get it back, you know, when he gets here. So huge box. There's a lot of stuff in this box. I guess huge box of goodies. So get that out of the way, because he also wants to do full exhaust system. And he actually, this guy, he's actually doing the good stuff. So out of all the headers I've installed, these guys, American Racing, they're the nicest ones. They fit the best, they look the best, the welds look the best. So he said it's a full bolt-on exhaust. So let's see. These are resonators. These go after the H-pipe around the axles. I've done enough of these to know this goes around the axles. I thought this was going to be headers. It's not. Interesting. Maybe they don't make headers for this. Nothing else. It'll sound nice. Alright, so that's the full unboxing. I'm going to put all this crap back together, throw it in the pickup, get this over to the shop, start working on it, try to get the ECU out today. That's the big thing. And I'm also going to do a baseline on it just so we can see what numbers it has now versus what it makes with the kit on there.